Hey guys, GP here, and I did it again. I bought some more diecast cars. And they're not 1/18 scale, they're 1/24 scale. So I bought a lot of six 1/24 scales from eBay for, I think it was $45 total, which I think is a very good deal. Obviously, a lot of that was shipping. And if I didn't have to pay shipping, it would probably only be about $18 or $20 that I spent on these. So, I think that is a actually very good deal because these models are pretty desirable, and well, at least some of them are. So I'll put you down for just a second. Okay, so there we go. Let's go ahead and get it out of the box. And some of them are just plain old cool. I don't really care about the value of them. I got them because I thought they were pretty neat. More ones that I've wanted for a while. Two of them, I believe, have a box. Two of them don't. You're getting multiple unboxings in this video. Or unwrappings, I guess you could say. Okay, so we'll start off with picking, let's see, this one. And these models are from either the 80s, 90s, so these do have maybe a little bit of damage and are dirty, so this one's probably the worst. Oh boy. Oh yeah, she is rough. She's dirty. Obviously, there's some physical damage to the model. But honestly, nothing terribly worse than I expected. I do have some red touch-up paint that I could use to fix this. So a lot of the spots you see will be fixed. A thorough cleaning, and I have some red touch-up paint from my prior vehicle that would work. But it's definitely not mint. Hinges are nice though. Vehicle kind of rolls. Probably need to lubricate the axles. But this is a Ferrari BB512, and kind of an interesting Ferrari that you don't really see too much. At least, you know, it's not one of the famous ones necessarily. Okay, let's see what this one is. Ooh, this one's a very nice one. I love this one. And this is actually made by Polysteel, which is a brand that used to make some 1/24 scales, die-cast in general. And as you see, it is a Porsche 968, I think. 928, my bad. Sorry about that. But yeah, Polysteel. This was actually made in Italy as well. 1/25 scale. I did see something about that on the internet, so just scale down a tad. But honestly, this one looks very nice. You know, it's not like a high-end model by any means, but it is pretty sick, honestly. Once again, cleaning, maybe a little bit of a touch-up, and lubricating maybe some of the parts, because it not being in a box over the years, you know, that can do a toll. So, what have we got next? What is this? I forgot. I think it's another. I bought two Porsches, so there should be another Porsche in here somewhere. Oh, here it is. This is a pretty one. I bought a lot of red ones. This is a Barago as well, this Porsche. Very nice, actually. I mean, a little dirty once again. Maybe a little bit of touch-up. Is this the 959? See, I'm not super sharp on some of these older Porsches, so give me a little bit of a break there. But this is one that I've liked for a long time. I just love that design of this ducktail kind of look to the back end. the air just swoops down in there. Looks very nice. And then you have kind of the body kit. These are very expensive in real life. And this one is kind of a very nice addition, I would say. Nice color as well. Made in Italy, of course. Barago has steering, rubber tires. Very, very nice. Minimal detailing on the interior, but I would believe that's probably a 90s model. I would say from the early 90s. So far, so good. This one's a very neat one as well. Miss Mercedes 190 is a very nice one I've always liked. 190E, I believe it's called. Once again, a little bit of paint damage. A nice cleaning would go a long way, I'd say. And I'll see if I have any touch-up paint for this blue one. 190E, you got the plastic wheels, solid axles. This is made by Polysteel. So probably, yeah, 1/25th scale. This one feels maybe a little heavier than the Porsche did from Polysteel. There you go. Decent. Actually, that's interesting. So they didn't do a door card, but it's just the metal that they made the door card of the vehicle. Honestly, not bad detailing. Doors do open nice and wide. Once again, maybe a little lubricant on the axles and cleaning, really. And seeing if I have any touch-up paint. But once again, so far so good. This should be, yes, I actually never heard of this. This is the Corvette concept made by Motormax. It's the Stingray 3. Boy, we haven't seen that sticker in a while, have we? I got this one for $2.10. Obviously, with shipping, that, I didn't get it for exactly $2, but very nice casting. I'll be doing an unboxing on these that have boxes, but very nice. And then we have the last one, the Jaguar X. What the heck? Okay. Well, was not expecting that. The base is literally cracked. The wheel is broken. Oh my gosh. I had this happen to me once. The frickin' spokes are broken. Very nice box though. Box is in good condition. The model looks like the paint and everything is intact and in shape on it. But, oh, jeez Louise. I'm going to message the seller about this one. But I will make sure I didn't make a mistake and didn't read the description 100%. So I'll make sure I read the description right. And obviously, if I didn't, that's on me. And the seller didn't do anything wrong. But if they didn't mention anything about damage, I'll probably be mentioning something, messaging something, because I mean, a broken wheel I can kind of deal with, but a broken base, I mean, that's, come on. And once again, I don't know, this could have happened during shipping too. The broken wheel, most likely not, but this is kind of another reason why I do videos on these as well, just to make sure when I get something that it's as described and I have video proof if they need it. Very nice box, though. Well, sometimes you get a surprise, and this one is one of those. So, there definitely will be some videos on that Jaguar right there, and about maybe cleaning up a few of these, and an unboxing of this Corvette as well. So stay tuned. I had a big surprise, and well, you had a surprise too. I guess for you it doesn't matter, but you know, that's another reason why I do these videos. It's my enjoyment, your enjoyment, of course, and also kind of verify, when I buy something, that if somebody needs proof if something like this happens, I have it. But these do look very nice. I'm happy I got them, as well as that Corvette, but a little disappointed there with the Jaguar. We'll see if I misread something in the description, and if not, I'll probably be messaging the seller. I've had very good luck with the seller, but, sometimes things happen. And I understand. But thank you guys so much for watching. Put in the comments down below what you think about these 6 diecast models, what your favorite is, and if you have any of them. So anything you like, guys, and hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed. Hit the like button if you like the video. And yeah, have a great rest of your day, and GP out.